Hi and welcome to GrownBY. So in this video, we are going to review how to put your share on hold, how to claim vacation for an upcoming week of your CSA. So I'm here at GrownBY.app. Now you can also use the app, which if you've used GrownBY in the past in 2021, you'll need to update your app to the new version so it looks the same here. But anyways, if you are on web, just go to GrownBY.app and then you'll want to sign in. So to do that, you just go up to the little person icon here and say sign in. I'm already signed in. And once you do that, go to orders. So this is after you have placed an order for a CSA share, okay? And you'll see there's three sections here in the orders tab, GrownBY.app/orders, okay? There's pickups, there's orders, and there are invoices, okay? So under pickups, which is what we're going to be focusing on today, you can see I have a pickup on January 8th, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m., and Saturday, January 22nd from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. And I would like to claim a vacation week because I am not feeling well. Say I'm actually just feeling fine, but anyways, I'm going to say confirm vacation. So basically this should be already checked. Confirm vacation. And the item is skipped. So now it says canceled vacation. And if I go to also claim vacation for the 22nd, the system will not allow me because I have 0 vacation pickups left. There was 1 vacation week included with the CSA share this season. So now that I have claimed a vacation week, that means actually that I have received credit, farm credit with Hardy Roots Community Farm. So what you might want to do is go back up here to the little icon and go into account, and you can say my farm credits and look under Hardy Roots Community Farm, and you'll see that I have $44. So I received $44 because I claimed that vacation week, and that was the value of my share for that 1 week. All right, thanks so much. If you have any questions at all, you can email us at support@grownby.app. Thank you.